Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily factory reset your CHiQ 22F650 monitor. So first, what we want to do is you want to go over to the menu right here. So now let's scroll down until we see those two arrows. This is the reset section. Now here, we need to click on the reset and then swipe to the right. As you guys can see, the monitor goes black, and it basically happens because it has to restart. As you guys can see, now the monitor is just after the fresh restart. So here we can use it now, it's reset it, and whenever you change something, so for example, you change your brightness, then you guys can see it being much lower than before. What you guys can do is go over, even change the color temperature. Here we can change the color temperature to something that we would like. So for example, we can change it to the user, and here we can go and change the red completely up to 100%. As you guys can see, now the monitor looks very weird. And here, after we click reset, just to prove to you guys that it works, I'll swipe right. And now the monitor is back. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.